everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Callie and this is my YouTube channel dedicated to all things nails and good vibes. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create these adorable kawaii Christmas nail designs. I love how these turned out. They're so cute and pretty easy to create as long as you have a dotting tool, toothpick, or bobby pin at home. I think these are really fun for some holiday nails if you're not sure what to do this week since Christmas is almost here and these are just really cute. So I'm going to put on some holiday music for you and I will meet you back here at the end of the video. But first, of course, we have to open up today's door on my 12 Days of Beauty Advent calendar from Trader Joe's. And today's was this really cool moisturizer, so I can't wait to give that a try. And now let's get right into the video and don't forget to subscribe. So that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments which of these designs was your favorite, and if you do happen to recreate any of them or all of them, definitely share on Instagram with hashtag TSNinspo so I can see. I've really enjoyed seeing all of your beautiful festive manicures this month, so thank you for sharing with me. I hope you're having a wonderful month. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again very soon for another video. Same nail time, same nail channel. Have a polished rest of your day. Bye!
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas